CA final attempt is in Jan 26 and you are worried about the preparation, especially if you are heartbroken after the results of September 25. I can understand that. Even my academy, that is the Audit Academy, recorded a 58% pass ratio, yes. But the students scoring above 50 was the least in this particular attempt. So I can understand the frustration. Okay, I know the paper checking has been tough. But now it is the time for a fight back, for a comeback. And हम ये कैसे करें? How do we do it? Then in that case, every single thing, हर एक चीज I have already uploaded. जी हाँ, मैंने already upload कर दिया टेलीग्राम पे. बट ये वीडियो सिर्फ वापस वो चीज रिफ्रेश रिमाइंड करने के लिए है. So first of all, if your attempt is in Jan 26, then in that case, obviously you will have to go with a shortcut strategy. But this shortcut strategy has been well thought of. मैंने September 25 में भी, even in September 25, I gave you a shortcut strategy, जी हाँ, and about 90% of the questions were from the shortcut strategy that was given. Now, इसमें आपको मैंने डे वाइज डिवाइड करके दे दिया है, डे 1 से लेकर, इफ यू सी, इट इज अ प्रॉपर 20-day प्लानर. ओके, ये 20-day प्लानर एक अच्छे सीक्वेंस में दे दिया है आपको, एंड यू हैव टू स्टडी इन दिस सीक्वेंस. हर एक टॉपिक में वॉट एवर इज इंपॉर्टेंट उसका लिस्ट दे दिया है, एंड यू हैव टू एंश्योर दैट यू एटलीस्ट कवर दोस कंसेप्ट्स. जैसे यू कैनॉट टेल मी कि मैंने ऐसे 500 ऑप्शन में छोड़ दिया, आई हैव लेफ्ट इट इन ऑप्शन. नो, if you don't have time for essay 500, at least cover these concepts which I have written in this particular Google sheet which I have already shared with the students on Telegram channel. Then ऐसे ही हर एक चैप्टर का दिया हुआ है, and my humble request कि your total syllabus gets divided into 4 unit test and 2 prelims. मेरी सिर्फ इतनी सी रिक्वेस्ट है कि आप अगर चाहिए तो theauditacademy.com से please go and subscribe this particular test series. Yes, the papers have been set by my past students who are chartered accountants and I have reviewed every single question that they have set. जहां पे changes करने थे वो कर दिया है. Papers will be checked by my own past students who are chartered accountants and they have been rigorously trained by me how they are checking. And मैं भी sample basis पे कुछ papers check करूंगा to understand that the checking is done properly. Do not worry about it. मेरी सिर्फ इतनी रिक्वेस्ट है that even if you have not purchased my course, at least आप ये test series purchase करके at least please ensure that आप test लिख रहे हो. Alright, so this is a proper 20-day planner with everything and anything that you need. Revision videos की links, notes की links, जितना हो सके उतना मटेरियल मैंने यहां पे अपलोड कर दिया है. You have everything that you need. Even the list of last minute questions that you are supposed to do has been updated over here. In fact, if you see this Google sheet further, you will see chapter wise, attempt wise weightage marking. Yes, and अपने आप आपको पता चल जाएगा that there are lots of fake ABC analysis going on in the market. जहां पे आपको बोलते हैं इतने चैप्टर्स कर लो, just do these many chapters and stuff. No, you cannot leave chapters in options. Yes, from every chapter you can leave some concepts in option. Alright, and अगर आप डिजाइन देखोगे ICI का, इसको skeleton structure बोलते हैं, तो every single question कैसे mix and match करते हैं, कौन से सब क्वेश्चंस में कैसे इसको अरेंज करते हैं. I request you that you are a CA final student, please go through this data and you will understand कि oh my god, अगर मैंने कुछ चैप्टर्स ऑप्शन में छोड़ दिया है, if I have left few topics in option, that is actually leaving the entire 14 marks question in option, because फिर वो mix and match करके उसके साथ आ जाता है and then you are able to score only 2 out of 14 or 4 out of 14 in a particular question. Alright, so I request you to please follow this planner properly and trust me, you will see the difference in your results. Baki, if you want to subscribe for the fast track courses, all the information has been dispensed earlier, but this video is not for any marketing purpose. This is purely a comeback strategy video where you have to follow this particular planner. वीडियो के अंदर मैं बहुत कुछ ज्यादा एक्सप्लेन नहीं करना चाहता हूं, unnecessarily वीडियो का लेंथ इंक्रीज होता है, बट whatever I wanted to communicate with you, वो ये प्लानर के अंदर है. I am continuously in touch with the students. I am conducting n number of Zoom sessions. I have cancelled all my afternoon evening commitments, alright, to be with the students till Jan 26 attempt, because I know that many of the students are heartbroken after September 25. I am with you. We are all with you. My entire team is with you. All the resources are with you. Please ensure that you study with a very big smile on your face. आप quit नहीं करोगे. You are not going to quit. All the very best. I will see you as a chartered accountant very soon. Thank you so much.